Namaste to all my fellow meditators. Let us start learning a small wisdom through these short videos. Initially, I'll take 21-day affirmations book by Louis Hay, and we will go from there. Before we go to actual topics, today we will learn about what is an affirmation and how these affirmations can make a positive change in our life. So with that, we can start making an affirmations and learning the various topics. By choosing the tools that we are going to discuss in this book, we can make a conscious decision to heal our life and move forward in the path of a positive thinking. Doing affirmations is not that hard work, okay? It's a very joyous experience at your life. And the burden of all our old patterns, our old beliefs that we can take up and go into the nothingness. And from there, we can start building our start to have the good seeds or positive thoughts as a seeds. If you take a garden, so whatever the seeds we plant, only those plants will come out, right? So similarly, in a life garden, whatever the thoughts we are actually planting or we are making in the seeds as a seeds in our life, those seeds will beautifully nourish and they will only grow. So if you plant a positive thoughts, the positive outcome will come out. And if you thought a negative, doubtful thoughts, fearful thoughts, only those things will come out. So we always think that you are abundant and self-love, you are the self-worth of getting anything. So simply you take that. Affirmation, what is an affirmation actually? If you want to define anything you think is an affirmation, okay? If you think that I can do it, it's an affirmation. If you think I cannot do it, it's an affirmation, okay? Whatever the experience, whatever that we are seed in the thoughts that we are seeding in our mind, those are the things that are coming out as an affirmation, okay? To retain your thinking in a positive way, so only the positive patterns should we have to think, and that will heal our life. Any affirmation will open a door, new beginning in your life. So you take the responsibility of the life. Don't blame anybody for the situations that are occurring in your life. Take the responsibility. You are responsible for everything. You are the creator of your life. Okay. Once you take that positive affirmation, you are able to create the better life. Every thought you think and every word you speak is an affirmation. All your self talk inside, right? The self talk, internal dialogue, all these are affirmations. So you are using these affirmations every moment, whatever that you know. So your beliefs are basically the habitual thinking that what your parents taught you as a child, limiting your ability. So those thoughts are a habitual thinking. Old beliefs are limiting your ability that only you can do this and you cannot do certain things. Please release all those the negative thoughts or limiting thoughts or compliance that you are making. So all these will become an affirmations in your life. Suppose if you are thinking that I cannot do this, I can only do this. So you are affirming that you can only do certain things and you cannot do it. No, you are an abundant. You can do anything. So that kind of self-esteem, that kind of the positive thinking, you should have it. Okay, in this book, Lewis had talked about various topics like self-esteem, fearful emotions, critical thinking, forgiveness, health, aging, job, success, money, and prosperity. So all this comes from your loving yourself, intimacy, love, all the topics she discussed about it. So each day we will take one topic, we'll discuss on that topic, and we will see what are the positive affirmations we can see it in our life and how we can manifest those things, okay, to prepare that atmosphere, to prepare that to grow the positive things in our life. So we must make a very empty mind and empty, we must make our atmosphere in a very positive way, right? Suppose the rich soil, the plants will go very rich. If it is a poor soil, the plants will go very poor. So let us make our soil, means our life is a bit very rich by taking off all the limitations. So let us make only the happy thoughts. So happy thoughts make our happy life. So that these affirmations will have very power. Today is the day for you to begin to create a new affirmation. Let us take as whenever you woke up in the morning to think that today is going to be a very great day. Today, whatever I want, the things will happen. So think all in a positive. Wake up each morning with the positive thoughts. Think yesterday is a history and tomorrow is a mystery, right? So only live in the today. So the, today is the gift. That is why it is called present. It's the present given to us today. So live in that present, and the affirmations that you make also always make only in the present tense, not the future tense or not the past tense. Make every affirmation in the present tense only. Then you feel good. Okay. Suppose what you want to fill up your life. You want to fill up your life with the love, gratitude, and appreciation. So you start the life with love. Love all. Love, be gratitude and be have a joy. Think about a joyful childhood, etc. Suppose if you are saying continuously, because if you are, let us take a simple affirmation like you wanted to live in a good home. You have certain idea like what home you wanted to be. Instead of affirming that I will buy a new home, which is in the future tense, live in the present. In the affirmation also live in the present tense. I bought a new home. Think that I bought a new home and think about how you want to live, where you want to keep the furniture, how you want to decorate. So think in a positive way. Each day you think in a positive way, and then assume that you already got it, and you start thinking. So you are actually giving a positive seat in your life, and you are giving a change. You are allowing a change in your life in the thinking that way. It is always important how you are actually conversating within yourself. So you conversate within yourself with the present tense, with the present moment only, not in the future moment. Okay. This is this is another reason like why we have to create an atmosphere. So you are creating already in a happy atmosphere. You are already affirming a positive affirmation, which will not might, which will manifest. So each affirmation, like suppose you take that morning, I made a positive affirmation, and this affirmation manifesting will depend upon how you are spending the rest of the day. Suppose in the morning you thought that I want to buy a new home, and after the rest of the day you think, oh, I hate this job. This job is not paying me well. I don't have the money in the bank. So how in the world I'm going to buy the new home? So which means you are making all the negative affirmations in that throughout the day. Even if you are making once the positive affirmation, it won't help because it won't manifest. So, in order to make or manifest any positive affirmation, you should be in that positive mode throughout the day, and you should be able to make all the positive thoughts only. Any positive thoughts will give you all the positive. It makes you to go to the positive way. Any negative thought, it pushes away your good. So don't make any negative thoughts. Let us take you are not feeling well. So the affirmation that you might make it, I don't want to sick anymore. This is not an affirmation that you should make. Not sick. Sick is a negative word. So you make an affirmation. I am accepting a good health. I'm already in a good health. So think accepting a good health. Good health came to your way, and you are accepting a good health. In this is a positive affirmation for not don't want to be as sick. Suppose you feel that you are a fat and you want to become a lean. So don't think that I'm too fat. That's a negative affirmation. Think that I honor my body and I am working. I am taking good care of my body. I am working on it. In that is a positive affirmation. I'm let us take I don't like the job. No, don't say that I don't like the job. Think that I am working for a new change. I am working for a change that suits to my interest. So that is an positive affirmation. Suppose I'm not a creative. That's a negative. So I'm discovering my talents. I do not know that previously I do not know that I had this talent, and now I'm discovering this talent. In this way, you can you can improve your thinking, and you can make all the positive affirmations in your life. So every time you think that all is well, every situation that comes to your life is helping you to reach your goal. That is helping. Suppose let us take You lost a job. All of a sudden, you lost a job. You may think that, oh, I lost a job. Where in the world that I dreamt of so many things? How can I fulfill those things? No, don't think that in that way. If you lost a job, think in a direction that I lost a job. Now I get an opportunity to search a job that which suits to my interest. Now I'll get a job with a better, good interest, and I'll get a job with a good pay. I can fulfill my dreams very soon. So think in this way, then you can do it. Then if you feel that whatever the situation it comes, think all is well. It came to teach me something, and I am learning that topic, that lesson, and I am moving because it came to for the higher good of myself. I can always feel good, and I love myself, and I can make a positive change in my life. I can do it. So if you feel that you can do it, you can do it. So with this ground preparation, like a positive affirmations, tomorrow onwards, we will take a simple topic and we will discuss about what is the topic and how we can make a positive change in our life. In that, what are the positive affirmations in order to get that in our life? We will see in the next short video. Thank you, thank you, thank you.